Hey there, folks! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of tornadoes. Tornadoes are some of nature's most awe-inspiring phenomena. With their intense winds, tornadoes are caused by a combination of air temperatures, and weather conditions. These twisted funnels of air can reach speeds of up to 320 miles per hour, making them incredibly dangerous. They can cause significant damage to infrastructure and pose a serious threat to life and property. There are different types of tornadoes, depending on their intensity and duration, ranking from FO to F5 on the Fujita scale. They can range from relatively weak to catastrophically strong. The strength is determined by factors like air pressure and wind speed. The unique formation of tornadoes occurs when warm, moist air collides with cooler, drier air in the atmosphere. This causes thunderstorms to form, which then twist into these amazing but dangerous storms we call tornadoes. Remember, while tornadoes are fascinating natural phenomena, it's crucial to respect their power and stay safe during a storm. Always follow weather advisories and safety guidelines from local authorities. Thanks for joining me on this educational journey into the world of tornadoes. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, stay safe out there.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Anderson County, Knox County, Morgan County, Rowan County until 9:45 p.m. At 9 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles northwest of Kingston. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Oak Ridge, Clinton, Knoxville, Oliver Springs, Dearmond, Carnes, Powell, Norris, and Halls. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive straight-line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for southwest North Carolina, and East Tennessee and southwest Virginia.